Hello, I'm Hank Sawtelle, Culinary Specialist with Vulcan. Welcome to our a la carte featuring the Chef's Combi. To introduce you to the Chef's Combi, I want to take you back to the concept of customer-back innovation. That's where we go to customers and find out what it is they actually need in their equipment. Customer-back innovation steered almost all of the development of the new Chef's Combi, from the Combi OS operating system to the most accurate climate management system in any major combi, our Combi Climate Control, as well as our Combi Guide automated cooking and the ease of cleaning that Combi Care brings you. The new Chef's Combi really does provide you everything you need and nothing you don't. So throughout this video, you're gonna hear me say everything you need and nothing you don't quite a bit. One of the things that really brings that idea home is our new Combi OS operating system. Right now, what you're seeing on the screen are all the items that could be on the home screen, but not every operation uses all of them. For example, maybe my prep cook is coming in and she doesn't need all these functions, she just needs to cook and clean. So I can very easily go in and remove the features that my prep cook isn't going to use, and then cook and clean is all that's left. Very simple. I can use Combi OS to customize the screen for lots of different operations as well. We've also designed the screen to mimic the normal motions you use on a phone or other touchscreen devices. One of the ways I can navigate from screen to screen is with a swipe. You can even reorder the location of those screens. So by going to the Screen Manager button here, I can just drag them into the order I want and it'll update the swipe sequence. So swipes, press and hold, drag and drop, all of those are built into the Chef's Combi. It's just another example of everything you need and nothing you don't, where you get to make the oven yours. One of the benefits of combi cooking is the precision it brings, but not all combis are as precise as the Chef's Combi. We use an actual sensor to measure humidity down to the percentage point, so we know exactly how much humidity is in the box. But that's just one part of the story. Combi Climate Control, our climate management system, is a suite of features that work together to deliver top-tier accuracy. It includes a high-powered, high-velocity fan that ranges from a gentle stir to a high-speed airflow to really accelerate browning. That, coupled with excellent dehumidification that pulls moisture out of the cabinet efficiently without wasting extra water like most combis do, means we get crispy crusts without the added resources. We also use a highly efficient steam generator. So when you combine that with our fan, dehumidification, and high efficiency heating element, the Chef's Combi gives you more control over the cooking environment than any other combi on the market. So the first thing we're gonna cook today is just some cookies, basic 2-ounce cookie pucks. But what I really wanna show you is auto climate. Now we can always cook manually, like other combis, but we also have the benefit of our patented ABC technology. That means you can set the temperature and our Chef's Combi will automatically set the humidity level that works best for that temperature. All right, I've got my cookies trayed up and ready to bake, so I'm gonna set up Chef's Combi using auto climate to cook them. So I'm gonna select cook, I'm gonna switch to auto, and then you can see as I adjust the temperature, the humidity changes automatically to the ideal humidity for that temperature. So for these cookies, I'm going to set this to 300. So I'll tap here and we're good to go. I'll set my time and then I will press start. And Chef's Combi is gonna start preheating. Once this is done preheating, then we're gonna get the cookies loaded. So our cookies are done baking and unloaded. And I've got a tray here from the top, middle, and bottom of the oven. And you can see that it didn't matter where they were inside the combi. It's still an unbelievably even bake, front to back, top to bottom. Another one of the really useful features built into the Chef's Combi is menu mix. Menu mix is what we use to handle mixed loads. There's two versions, menu mix and menu mix plus. Menu Mix is basic shelf timers. Think of them almost like egg timers for each shelf. Menu Mix Plus, on the other hand, uses recipes built into the Chef'sCombi. There's 160 recipes already in the system, and Menu Mix Plus pulls from those. Today, I'm going to use a mix, some of the recipes from the book, and one shelf using just a timer to show the difference. We'll be doing a full breakfast buffet. English muffins, roasted potatoes, bacon, sausage, fried eggs, and pancakes. All right, all of our breakfast items are prepped now, and we're gonna go ahead and use Menu Mix to cook our breakfast buffet in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna select Menu Mix from the main screen, let it know we're using those recipes, and then I'm just gonna start adding items to the Menu Mix screen. So I'll select pancakes. As soon as I do that, Chef'sCombi starts preheating for this recipe. Okay, now we're preheated. We can see pancakes are on the first level. I can press the plus. I can add my English muffins next. Next, I will put in my sausages, then my bacon. I'll do my fried eggs. And then, as I mentioned, I'm gonna do some roasted potatoes as well. I don't have a recipe built for that today, so I'm just gonna add an 8.5-minute timer, and it's just as simple as dialing that in. And now Chef'sCombi is all set up and ready to cook these items together and keep track of them for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door and start loading. All right, I've got my items loaded. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start these timers. So if I notice that I had an item on a level that didn't match where I set the timer, it's very simple to click on any item. I can drag and drop to replace it where it goes, and the timers will continue and I stay organized. I actually had that one set up okay, so I'll go ahead and swap those back. Chef'sCombi is letting me know that our first item is done. And so these are our fried eggs. This is a real practical application for doing mixed loads. The programmability gives us repeatability, consistent product every time. And because the Chef'sCombi is powerful, everything cooks quickly. Okay, Chef'sCombi is letting me know that our bacon and our sausage are both done together. Golden brown, delicious. Okay, and Chef'sCombi is letting me know that our last item, our roasted potatoes, are done. Menu Mix really helps when cooking multiple products at once. It means one staff member can cook everything in one place rather than several people at different stations. And if you're doing grab and go, the speed means you can do smaller, more frequent batches, keeping everything fresher. So whether you're stocking a line or filling a buffet, Menu Mix makes it easy. Next up is Combi Guide, our guided cooking assistant. It sets the ideal cooking climate based on your input. It's reproducible, intuitive, and adapts to the load while still letting you intervene manually if needed. Basically, it takes the guesswork out of combi cooking. You'll see categories like direct cooking, meat, poultry, seafood, vegetables, eggs, desserts, etc. Okay, so our steaks are ready to season. I've got a seasoning blend that I built, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice coating on each of our 6 beautiful New York strip steaks. So you'll notice that I'm working with our Vulcan diamond grill pan combi accessory. And so this is at room temperature, so it's very safe to work with, it's very convenient, and it's gonna heat up along with these steaks in the combi. To give us a nice, beautiful, dark, even grill mark all across all of these steaks, and I don't have to preheat it in the combi. Okay, it's time to cook our beautiful New York strip steaks, and I'm gonna go ahead and use Combi Guide to do that. So press Combi Guide, It wants to know what I'm cooking. Obviously, it's meat. What kind of meat? It's beef. What effect do I want? I'm gonna grill it. And then it wants to know, do I want to use the probe or not? I'll use the probe this time. And the final two questions are, what's the internal doneness I want? Let's take that down to medium rare. And then how dark do I want my grill marks? We'll take that up to medium dark. And then I'll just go ahead and press start, and that's it. Chef'sCombi is going to figure out the cooking process for me. All right, so Chef'sCombi is alerting me and letting me know that it's preheated and ready to load. I will take our diamond grill pan with these steaks. I'm gonna slide that right on the rack guide, and then I'm going to also put a pan underneath it to catch any drips from that grilling process. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab our core temperature probe and place that into one of our steaks. And now we are ready to go. All right, so Chef'sCombi's letting me know that our steaks are done. Beautiful diamond grill marks that we have all across the batch. The coloration's the same on every one. So let's go ahead and cut into one of these and have a look at how they came out inside. Perfect medium rare, tip to tip, end to end, across this whole batch, thanks to Combi Guide. Next, we're making braised leg of lamb, and I'll show you how to build a recipe from scratch. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and season this beautiful leg of lamb, nicely trussed. I've got a nice spice blend here that's gonna give this lots of flavor and help promote some nice coloration on it. And I just wanna go ahead and flip that over. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to my pan that we're gonna braise it in. And then I've got my aromatic vegetables. This is gonna give us a beautiful flavor to the cooking liquid. Now that our leg of lamb is seasoned and in the braising pan, I'm gonna go ahead and build a recipe for it in the Chef'sCombi. So from the home screen, I just press create. First, I'm going to name the recipe, leg. And then next, I'm going to categorize it so that it's easier to find later if I want to. So I'm gonna categorize it as meat. And then finally, I'm gonna assign a soiling level to it so that Chef'sCombi knows how much it might impact the cleanliness of the oven. So down here, I'm gonna select cleaning impact, and a braise is in the middle, so I'll give that a 3. And now we are all set up and ready to build our recipe. So I've got a preheat step. I'm gonna add a convection step for searing. And then we're going to add a prompt to add liquid. So that's actually gonna give me a message so that wherever I'm in the kitchen, it's gonna remind me to come add liquid to the recipe. Then I'm gonna add a combi step. And then finally, I'm gonna add a hold step. Okay, my recipe's built, so I'm gonna go ahead and press start. And then as soon as this preheat is done, we're gonna go ahead and load our leg of lamb. With traditional braising, you'd sear, add liquid, cover, and move to a low oven. But in a Combi oven, we generate our own steam. So instead of covering the pot, I just set the Chef'sCombi to maintain a high moisture level. The door becomes the lid. Our lamb has been cooking overnight. Let's pull it out. You'll see it has a beautiful sear and deep color, and because we cooked it low and slow, it's fork tender, just falling apart. Cleaning the Chef'sCombi is easy with Combi Care. A quick tap opens the cleaning menu. We've got quick clean, only 23 minutes, light, medium, and strong for those deep cleans. You can also set up scheduled cleaning. Tap the plus sign, go to cleaning plan, and schedule by day or by number of cooking hours. You can even set how many times a staff member can skip cleaning before Chef'sCombi says, nope, it's time to clean. Let's run a quick clean. It needs 2 tablets. I hit start, and the Chef'sCombi runs through a checklist. Don't add tablets until all green check marks are done. Once ready, it tells me to add the tablets. I confirm, and we're off to the races. The Chef'sCombi is currently available in 6-level and 10-level half and full sizes. Coming soon, the 20-level half and full-size roll-in models. All are available in electric or gas. And our tabletop models, the 6s and 10s, are stackable. Even when stacked, the Chef'sCombi has a low working height. Thanks so much for joining me today for our Chef'sCombi a la carte. For more information or to schedule a demo, visit vulcanequipment.com.